remember my first fight in America here in MGM. That was 2001, June 23. And I want to thank HBO for helping me a lot, promoting my fight, supporting my fight. Please watch this fight. I believe that it's more action compared to the last two fights that we had because of his new coach, Tiri. Tiri, he did a good job for Bradley, and we saw that in his last fight. Please watch and don't miss it. It's gonna be a good fight and more action in the ring. And I'm doing my best. We're doing our best to give a good show to make you happy. Even though I accomplished everything in this arena of boxing, in this boxing, I want to give inspiration to everybody that whatever we have done and accomplished in life, we should humble ourselves before God and before man. We should stay humble and live the same life. Don't make the thing in this world change your life. And I want to say this, that each and every one of us one day we will face judgment, and that judgment, it's up to us where we're going to choose. Promoting the fight, we don't need to fight each other. We save that for Saturday, and that's what we're waiting for. This is good fight because promoting the fight with no argument, no troubles, like hitting bad words each other. We save that for Saturday so that you will be happy. I know Bradley trained hard and I train hard, and that's good for the fans that we can give a good show. And I think it's gonna be. I believe that's gonna be a good fight. And I want to thank to all the Filipino people who are praying and supporting me in this upcoming fight. Mga kababayan, I'm gonna speak in Tagalog. Sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, nananawagan po ako sa inyong lahat na magkaisa po tayo para po sa karangalan ng ating bansa. Baka po ito na yung huling laban ko na masasaksihan ng buong sambayan ng Pilipino. Isa po ang maiiwanan ko sa inyo na magkaisa po tayo sa ating lahat. Walang halong politika. Ito ay para sa ating lahat. Magkaisa po tayo. Hindi natin isipin na ito ay kasama sa politika o anuman, kundi ito mula noon hanggang ngayon tayo ay nagkakaisa, tayo ay magkasama. Ngayong Saturday, inasahan ko po ang pagkakaisa natin at pagsasama para sa karangalan ng ating bansa.